Today we are talking about a topic that many people have requested, and this topic is how to use finish, finished, done, complete, completed, end, and over. First, I want to be really clear that there are many ways to use these words, and we are not going to be able to talk about all of them in one video. I also want to be very clear that there are some small differences between these words that I'm not going to talk about in this video just because they aren't super important and they're difficult to explain using simple language. Finish is a verb, and it is the opposite of start or begin. Every day I start my work at 7 a.m. and I finish my work at 5 p.m. And finished is the past tense form of the verb finish. Yesterday, I finished my report and gave it to my boss. But we can also use finished as an adjective. We often use the adjective finished for projects or tasks, things that people work on. My report is finished. That's basically the same as saying, I have finished my report. But it focuses on the state of the report instead of focusing on my action. You can say that a project is finished, or you can say that you are finished. When we say I'm finished and we have an object, we need the word with. So we can say my report is finished, or I'm finished with my report. If your boss is waiting for you to finish a project, they might ask, "Are you finished yet?" And you might reply, "No, I'm not finished yet." Done can also be both a verb and an adjective and is basically the same as finished. You can say, "I've done my report," or "My report is done." However, when we use the verb done, it focuses more on the action of doing, whereas the adjective done focuses on the fact that something is 100% finished. For example, I have done a lot of work today. In that sentence, we have the verb done, and it's not actually clear if I have finished any of the work that I was doing. It just has the word done in it because done is the third form of do. My work is done. In this sentence, we have the adjective done. And in this one, it's clear that my work is 100% finished. Complete can be a verb, which is basically the same as finish. I need to finish this task. I need to complete this task. Those mean the same thing. However, complete can also mean to make something whole or 100%. In a romance movie, you might hear someone say, "You complete me." That means that without you, I am not whole. I am missing something. Without you, I cannot be the best version of myself. And then completed is the past tense form of the verb. I completed my research this morning. Complete can also be an adjective, and as an adjective, it can mean finished or done, but it can also mean whole. The complete first season is available on Netflix. Here, it means whole. It means that Netflix has every episode from that season. No episodes are missing. End is a verb that basically means stop. But we usually use it for something that stops and never starts again. It stops because there isn't any more. Yesterday was the last day of summer. Summer ended yesterday. Now it is fall. My class is 1 hour long. It begins at 3 and ends at 4. This show is not very long. It's going to end soon, and then I will wash the dishes. Over has a similar meaning to end, but it's an adjective, not a verb. Summer is over. Now it is fall. My class will be over at 4 o'clock. I'll wash the dishes when this show is over. This video is over. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.